Alright guys, so today we are what? We are gonna be doing the Kaena Point hike. It's basically the farthest west end of Oahu. And oh, why am I moving this way? But yeah, I have some new equipment. I'm gonna be testing it out today. We're gonna be running the drone, and this is actually the new camera that I recently bought. It's the A6400. So yeah, we're gonna see how it is. Got, oh, why is it going this way? Other way. And it's also on a gimbal right now, so yeah. That's why I don't know how to maneuver all this.
You gotta test the follow cam abilities right now. Get me doing some parkour.
Do parkour?
Yeah. Ready for this?
Oh, okay.
The follow cam.
And why is it going like this? Why are we going in 360s? Okay, so I figured out that I accidentally shut off the gimbal, and that's why it wasn't working. Okay, let's see this parkour.
All right, we gotta plan a route first.
Okay, what is the route?
I'm gonna hop on top of this curb. Backflip.
No ways.
Triple deluxe spin. Ice skating thing. and then get canned.
Let's see it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Follow cam, go! How'd you like that backflip, by the way? like below, and comment below, and do everything below.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we can't fly the drone yet. We have to go down more. We have a very long walk before we can actually fly the drone. Right now we're still in the radar station area, so we gotta wait. You guys want to walk out to that point over there? Try to see what's.
Yeah, let's go. Oh fuck, yeah, let's go check it out. Gotta make sure we don't get swept away.
Woo. Yeah, the wave forecast today is definitely big. I think it was forecasted to be like 20 feet today, but that's north. And we're on the west side right now, so getting some of the north wrap. We're gonna start the trail, the official trail now, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Woo. I just started. I don't even know what to say on this hike, honestly, man. Like,
speechless. You just David Attenborough it.
13 billion years ago.
Dude, this road is like insanely bumpy though. I'm surprised people off-road this. Like, look at this. What the heck?
Parkour.
I think we're out of the no-fly zone for drones, so I'm actually going to launch the drone right now, and yeah, we'll try to get some cinematic footage. Oh, those waves are huge. I'll start that right now. You guys got to see this stuff. Okay, well right now the trail actually loops back around. So we just went around a loop, and we're headed back to the actual point right now, and we're gonna climb up this like tower over there, and yeah, I mean, that's, whoa, look at those albatross over there, dude. He's doing the head bob. Week. Yeah, so this place is super cool. Especially if you guys want to see some birds, you know, and stuff like that. Some big albatross. They fly insanely low to the ground and right by you. I'll insert those clips right now. Dude, look. Oh. There he is.
Oh, right at me.
Whoa. Wow. Wow, dude, that thing passed right by you. That thing passed right by him. What the heck? Wow, we're getting the full show today. There's whales over there. Let's see if I can fly my drone out and actually see them. But yeah, there's whales out right now. I'm gonna try to launch my drone and see if I can get some footage for you guys. All right, well, drone is returning home. We ran out of battery, but we got some insane footage of those whales out there. So I really hope you guys enjoy that footage. This was the most insane hike I have ever been on. That footage is nuts. You guys have to see it. Dude, I'm so happy. That took so long to find, but we got it.
Great success.
Yeah, very nice. All right, we're gonna start heading home. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe. I said that how many times already? I'm sorry. I keep on forgetting that I said that, but yeah, don't listen to Corey. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.